Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from your Tangem wallet to KuCoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, helping you manage your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're holding XDC for investments or trading, getting it to KuCoin can open up new opportunities. So let's get started. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Tangem wallet set up on your device, with your XDC balance ready, and a verified KuCoin account. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and keep your private keys safe. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Now, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the Assets section. Locate your XDC holdings, it should be listed clearly. Step 2. Select the XDC you want to withdraw. Double-check the amount, and don't forget to review any network fees, which might vary based on 2025 network updates. Step 3. Go to the Withdrawal or Send function. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient address. Head over to KuCoin, log in, and find your XDC deposit address under the Deposit tab. Copy it accurately to prevent errors. Step 4. Confirm all details in Tangem Wallet, including the amount and address. You'll see a preview. Take a moment to verify everything. Once you're good, hit Confirm, and the transaction will broadcast to the network. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. In 2025, with improved blockchain speeds, this could take just a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Tangem app or KuCoin dashboard for updates. And there you have it. That's how you successfully withdraw XDC from Tangem to KuCoin. Remember, always monitor your transactions and use reputable exchanges. If you run into any issues, check official support channels. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe and keep building your digital portfolio. See you in the next video.